Have you ever wondered which cars in the UK are being sold faster than ever in 2026? Some vehicles are flying off the market, and behind this surge lies a huge red flag that every potential buyer or seller should know about. Whether you're looking to buy your next car, sell your current one, or simply understand the UK automotive trends, this video is essential. Today, we're going to explore 8 cars that UK owners are offloading quickly this year and uncover the reasons driving this unusual surge. By the end, you'll have all the knowledge you need to make informed decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and spot potential bargains. Welcome back to Maple Motors Hub, the channel where we bring you the latest UK car market insights, trends, and buyer alerts. If you're serious about making smart decisions in the car market, this is the place to stay updated. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're always ahead of the curve when it comes to UK car trends. Let's dive straight into it. The first major reason some cars are being sold quickly in 2026 is rapid depreciation. Some models lose value faster than others, often due to reliability concerns, poor resale perception, or high running costs. Cars that depreciate faster are often offloaded by their owners sooner to avoid losing more money over time. For example, certain premium brands, despite being luxurious and comfortable, have high servicing and insurance costs, which forces owners to sell earlier than expected. These cars might still look pristine on the outside, but the long-term financial burden often drives their sale. Depreciation is a crucial factor to consider, especially for buyers. A car that has been sold quickly due to depreciation may offer a great deal up front, but it could continue to lose value rapidly. Buyers need to balance the initial cost against projected depreciation to avoid investing in a car that may drop in value faster than comparable models. Another significant reason for fast sales is maintenance and running costs. Cars with complex electronics, rare parts, or expensive servicing fees can become a financial burden for owners. For example, certain German luxury brands, while offering exceptional performance and premium interiors, often require costly repairs and servicing. Owners frequently sell these vehicles before repair bills spiral out of control. In some cases, even routine maintenance like brake replacement, clutch repair, or diagnostic checks can be significantly higher than in more mainstream models. High-performance vehicles often face this issue as insurance premiums, fuel costs, and depreciation combine to create a heavy financial load. Owners tend to sell before these costs accumulate further, creating a surge in the used car market for specific models. For buyers, these cars may be tempting because they look luxurious and drive well, but hidden costs can quickly add up. Knowing which cars have high running costs can save buyers thousands in unexpected bills. The shift toward electric and hybrid vehicles is another major factor influencing fast sales. In 2026, the UK government continues to incentivize greener options, including subsidies, lower road taxes, and congestion zone discounts. Older petrol and diesel cars are being sold faster as owners upgrade to hybrid or fully electric models. Even popular combustion engine cars are part of this trend, especially those that are less fuel efficient or have higher emissions ratings. Hybrid and electric cars often offer lower running costs, fewer emissions-related taxes, and modern technology that appeals to UK drivers. As a result, traditional internal combustion engine vehicles are being offloaded faster, sometimes at surprisingly low prices. For buyers, this can create opportunities to purchase reliable cars at discounted rates. But it also comes with red flags. Older models might be more expensive to maintain or fail to meet future emission regulations. Another driving factor behind these fast sales is safety recalls and reliability issues. When a model develops a reputation for mechanical problems or frequent recalls, it often triggers a wave of sales. Owners prefer to sell quickly rather than deal with the inconvenience or risk associated with recurring problems. Cars with engine issues, faulty electronics, transmission problems, or even software glitches in newer vehicles are frequently resold sooner than anticipated. This trend highlights the importance of research before purchasing any used car. Checking manufacturer recalls, reading owner forums, and reviewing reliability ratings can save buyers significant amounts of money and stress. In some cases, a car sold quickly may be a warning sign that deeper issues exist, even if the exterior looks perfect. High-performance and luxury vehicles are also being sold rapidly in 2026, and for specific reasons. Sports cars, convertibles, and luxury SUVs often carry high running costs, including insurance, fuel, and routine maintenance. Many owners realize that while the thrill of a high-performance car is appealing, the financial commitment can outweigh the benefits. Selling early, while the car retains value, is a common strategy to mitigate losses. For buyers, these cars can offer incredible performance and aesthetics at a reduced price, but they also require careful financial planning. High insurance premiums, specialized maintenance, and potential depreciation can quickly turn a seemingly great deal into a financial headache. The UK market is also seeing a surge in lease, returns, and short-term ownership. Many newer cars are coming back to dealerships as owners upgrade to the latest models or switch to subscription services. Cars returned from leases are often well-maintained, low mileage, and still under warranty, but they can flood the market quickly. This impacts resale values and creates a situation where certain models are sold faster than others. Buyers need to be aware that some vehicles may be more common than others in the used market, affecting both pricing and desirability. Regional preferences in the UK also play a significant role in why cars are being sold fast. For example, compact city cars might be highly sought after in London due to limited parking and congestion charges, while larger SUVs and crossovers are more popular in rural areas or Scotland, where road conditions and lifestyle needs differ. Understanding local trends can help buyers and sellers make better decisions. A car that sells quickly in one region may not move as fast in another, so paying attention to location-based demand is crucial. Changing technology trends also contribute to rapid car sales. Modern buyers increasingly expect features like advanced infotainment systems, connectivity options, autonomous driver assistance, and enhanced safety features. Cars lacking these technologies may be sold faster as owners upgrade to more modern models. This is particularly true for older luxury vehicles and some mainstream cars, where the technology gap between model years can be significant. Buyers looking for older cars should weigh the pros and cons of technology availability versus price savings. Now let's break down the 8 cars that UK owners are selling fastest in 2026, along with the reasons behind each one. The first is a compact city car known for affordability but facing rapid depreciation. While it's easy to drive in tight city streets and park in small spaces, its resale value drops faster than competitors. Many owners are selling early to avoid this loss. The sixth is a premium electric vehicle with long waiting lists for service appointments. Owners seeking convenience and faster servicing sometimes sell quickly to buyers who are willing to wait. Seventh is a luxury sports coupe with a small but passionate owner base. High insurance and maintenance fees combined with niche market appeal make it a vehicle that moves fast when it's listed. Finally, the eighth is a mid-size family SUV. Despite being practical and reliable, owners are selling early to upgrade to models with the latest safety and technology features, reflecting the UK's preference for modern connected vehicles. For buyers, the key takeaway from this list is to do thorough research. Understanding why a car is being sold fast, whether due to depreciation, running costs, technology gaps, or fuel type can prevent expensive mistakes. Checking reliability ratings, running costs, and recent recalls is essential before making a purchase. For sellers, timing your sale strategically can maximize returns. Selling a car while it retains value and before costs rise or technology becomes outdated ensures the best financial outcome. Paying attention to market trends and local demand helps you position your vehicle effectively. Additionally, understanding financing options, including leasing, loans, and subscription models, can influence both buying and selling decisions. Many buyers now consider total ownership costs over the lifetime of the vehicle rather than just the upfront purchase price. Environmental policies also continue to affect car sales. Older diesel and petrol vehicles are being phased out in some city centers due to emission regulations, and this is pushing faster sales in specific models. Buyers need to account for congestion charges, low-emission zone restrictions, and potential future legislation when considering a vehicle purchase. Insurance premiums play a massive role as well. Cars with higher risk ratings, sports capabilities, or larger engine sizes often carry significantly higher premiums, motivating owners to sell sooner. Buyers should compare insurance costs before committing to a purchase, as unexpected premiums can turn a seemingly great deal into a financial burden. Fuel efficiency is another major factor. Rising petrol and diesel prices in 2026 have made owners of inefficient vehicles rethink their ownership. Many are selling to move toward hybrid or electric cars, while buyers can find opportunities to purchase vehicles that may still offer reasonable running costs if used carefully. Technological obsolescence is increasingly influencing sales. Cars without modern safety features such as lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring are being sold faster as owners look for more advanced models. Buyers should check tech specifications carefully, as missing features can affect resale value and driving safety. In conclusion, the UK car market in 2026 is dynamic, with certain models selling faster due to depreciation, maintenance costs, safety concerns, fuel type, insurance, and technology gaps. Understanding these trends is vital, whether you're buying or selling. For buyers, research is everything. Check reliability ratings, calculate running costs, evaluate technology features, and consider regional demand before making a purchase. For sellers, timing, awareness of market trends, and highlighting vehicle strengths can ensure you get the best possible return. At Maple Motors Hub, our goal is to keep you informed about the latest UK car market trends, buying tips and warnings. Cars selling fast in 2026 are sending a clear signal. Pay attention to red flags, do your homework, and make smart decisions. Thank you for watching Maple Motors Hub. If this video helped you understand the cars moving fastest in the UK and the reasons behind it, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest market updates. Share this video with friends or family looking to buy or sell a car this year, because being informed is the best way to avoid costly mistakes. Stay tuned for more insights, reviews, and trends from the UK automotive market, and we'll see you in the next video.